Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the main control board in your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the front vent. You can use a putty knife to help pry off the vent. Next, unthread the screw securing the control assembly. Lift the control assembly up to detach. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the control board, then disconnect them. Remove the assembly, then unthread the 4 screws securing the control board. Disconnect the ribbon connector and lift out the old board. Install the new main control board by aligning it on the mounting plate, then thread the screws to secure. Connect the ribbon connector to the new board. Now insert the control assembly tabs into the slots in the microwave oven frame. Then connect all of the control board wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Realign the control assembly and push down. Thread the screw. Having a magnetized screwdriver will make this easier. Reinstall the front vent by aligning the top edge first, then press the bottom edge into place. Thread the 2 screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your microwave oven should be ready for use.